This is Friday sessions, guys. All right. Hope everyone's doing good. Right. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so as usual, we'll try to see Bitcoin and gold, right, guys? Okay, so I would like to welcome everyone. This is going to be a scalping sessions, totally right, for Bitcoin and gold, right? Okay, guys. Hope everyone's doing good. Let's try to wait for 1 minute. Then we shall start with our daily analysis as usual, right, guys? Okay, so welcome everyone. Welcome. Hi, hi, hello. Hey, hey, guys, welcome, welcome. कैसे हो guys? Alright, how are you guys doing? Okay, welcome, welcome, welcome. 1 minute, then we'll start. Alright, as usual. Hey, hey guys, welcome everyone. Hi, Matrix Gaming. Hi, hi, bro. All right, little bit early, right? Okay, as usual. All right, so as usual, little bit early today, little bit early than 11 UTC, 9 minutes to go, right? Okay. All right, I lost some money today. All right, okay. No problem. All right, have patience. SB Carter, hi, hi, bro. Welcome, welcome. All right, guys, everyone, welcome. This is Friday sessions, guys. Hope you guys are doing good, right? Okay. What you think, guys? Today, Bitcoin going up or down, and how about gold, up or down again, continuation or now break and small reversal? What you think? Never think about recovery, just give you 100%, right? Okay, don't feel that you have lost money, right? Otherwise you are going to, you will tend to make a bigger losses. All right, okay, just be calm, right? Feel free, right? I know it is very hard, right? But in fact it's going to be you need to try your best, right? Okay, so whatever it is, right? So yesterday we have been last, before I go, right, before I end up with my live stream, I have given you all the one setups, right? Okay, on upper side for Bitcoin, which was done perfectly, and gold also. Yesterday we have been planning on this one, which was done perfectly and gone all the way on upper side. All right, okay. Very perfect. All right, very perfect. It have went very perfect, right? So again, the Bitcoin is little bit right now in the sideways, I guess, right? Okay, little bit is creating a sideways in the 1 minute time frame. All right. 1 minute and 5 minutes, right, guys? Okay, I can see the Bitcoin is creating a small sideways over here. All right. Bitcoin is making sideways, guys. Have patience, guys. All right, Bitcoin is little bit dirty today, right, guys? Okay, I should be giving you a small move on the downside, I guess. So overall, we will try to go for the small pullback on a downside for today, especially till 77,000 or $76,304. All right, okay. So let's see if it gives or not, right? Okay, guys. So right now the gold, Bitcoin is little bit. Thank you so much, SB. I'm ready to learn. All right, okay. Good boy. All right, good brother. All right. So just have patience. Need to wait a little bit, right? Okay, in case if the market happens to pump up on upper side, we can plan for the shots below this levels, right? Otherwise I think there should be, so below this levels, breaking down below this levels, it should be a very good shot on a downside, I guess, right? Okay, so most probably we'll be planning till $76,300 for tonight, but till then market is in the sideways, it might like to play around a bit, right? Okay, so you have to take considerations of that one as well. All right, guys. Okay, so far, so if we happens to If it happens to go down and come up, right, we can take one scalp on upper side as well, right, guys. Just have patience. A little bit sideways it is going through. Gold, let's try to see gold as well, right, guys. Okay, those who are interested for the gold, welcome, guys, welcome. All right, hi, good evening, Kandasa. All right, welcome, brother. Okay, good evening, everyone. Hope everyone's doing good, right? Everyone, welcome. Pending orders. They got a pending orders over here. We got a gold as well, right? We got a lots of pending orders on the downside for now. All right, okay. Gold seems to be giving you the move towards the downside, guys. All right. If it happens to break below those levels, I think it's going to give you the move towards the downside, I guess, for the gold. Let's try to take one risk for now. All right, for the gold on a short, right? Okay, so we are taking risks, though it have not completed the move, right? We are going to take this risks on a downside. All right, firstly, okay, for the gold. All right. So we might like to have very small stop loss over here, right? Just again. Okay. All right, okay. So gold, we will be targeting a small pullback on the downside. All right, guys. This is to this levels. All right. Let's take small risks on a downside for the gold, guys. All right, how are you? All right, Usman, I'm good. How are you going? How are you guys? All right, okay. So gold, we can take a small scalp on a downside. For BTC, it looks a little bit of playing in the sideways right now, guys. All right. In fact, BTC also, I'm looking forward for the shots, right? Okay. Small pullback on the downside for today, right? Maybe 76,000. That becomes very big, right? Okay, but right now gold is BTC is staying in the small sideways for now. All right, okay. Gold, I will try hard to get a small pullback, right? Actually, the gold positions, it is below this levels. All right, okay. Our strong positions, confident positions comes below this levels, coming to this levels. All right, but we are trying to take risks from the top only for now. All right, okay, for the gold. All right, guys, okay, so let's see, guys. All right, have patience and slowly we will try to go. All right, so above these levels, let's not try to hold above these levels, right? Above these levels, it is going to be a long positions again, right? Highs, right? Okay. So most probably we'll try to look for the small pullback till this levels. Even if it is not till that levels, right, we might like to book some profits till this zone, right? Okay, so there is one level. We will try to trace this levels as well, guys, for the gold. BTC also okay, but it looks so aggressively in a sideways. In fact, for BTC, guys, market is staying in the sideways. Because of that one, it is very risky to take the shots right now. Let's try to take risks, okay, but we make sure that as soon as we get inside the sideways, we try to get out from this. All right, okay, not holding above this levels. All right, okay, we might be taking a very aggressive risk for now. All right, okay. Since market is staying in the sideways, all right, from these levels towards the downside, right? Okay, so these levels can be one good reversal, but in fact, if the market happens to jump out from the green level on upper side, which means that market is either going to play inside this one, right? So while planning a shots from here, we make sure that it is not passing above these levels. If it pass, then we need to close with a small losses over there, right? Okay. Let's try to take a small risk, right? Firstly, we'll try to target this levels only, 0.9% only, right? In fact, In fact, if it happens to give, we'll try to target a little bit more. All right, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. So meanwhile, we will have a multiple TPs. All right. Okay, 1 2 3. All right, a little bit risky, but we are trying to take risks over there. All right, for the gold as well. All right. Okay, so let's go. I'm going good. I'm doing good. All right, guys, hope you guys are doing also good. Very good. Right, we are trying to take small risks for now. Okay, guys, for the BTC as well as for the gold. Right. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. Right. Okay, so we will try to take very minimum risks and we'll go slow. Right. Okay. So if you don't take the risks, there is no rewards. Right. Okay, in fact, we need to take small risks. That is there. Right, whatever the risk it is, we have to take it. Right, guys. Okay. Trying to come out from the sideways. Okay, hope everyone's doing good. Right, some people says that they are running into losses, they require don't think about recovery. Okay, guys, go slow. It's okay, it is the part of the game. I know you might have gone for the big losses, but it is the part of the game which you need to accept it. Right, guys. Okay, you need to accept that one. Even if it is a loss or it is a profit, right, you have to accept it, guys. All right. Okay, so acceptance is the biggest acceptance is one of the biggest good thing that you can do it in the market. Right. Okay, guys. Taking small risks for now. All right, guys. Okay, for the BTC in the sideways. Hopefully it doesn't make double bottom over there. Over here for the scalpers, you need to book some profits. All right. Okay, so it has a chances of making double bottom also. All right, for that one we stay, you need to book one profits already. Okay, so don't try to hold above these levels. This is the maximum level that you are going to hold. Right. Okay, above these levels. So what I mean is yesterday also it made, right, something like that. Right, guys. Okay. So if it happens to make double bottom, it becomes boring. All right, we want the market to directly jump down. So for that one, right, we can take reference of these levels. Right. Okay, whereby if it happens to get out, then we'll keep closing it, because that has a chance of making double bottom as well in these levels. Right. Okay, gold is playing around a little bit. It's gonna play around in the zone a lot. Right. Okay, like yesterday in BTC. Right. Okay, it was doing something like this. Right. Okay, so then only I think it is going to give you all. Right, but in fact gold, I'm expecting the market to move down only. It is going to play around a bit in the zone. Okay, let's have patience. Which country are you, sir? Matrix. I'm from Bhutan. All right. Okay, I'm from Bhutan. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button. All right. Okay, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right, every day. Okay, we try to go slow. All right, steady. It shouldn't break above. We try to take small risks. Yeah, it's going up now. It's trying to go up. So overall, guys, we have been playing inside this one. Hopefully it doesn't mix any double bottom over there. All right, we don't want double bottom. Right. Okay, oh, it's going for the double bottom, guys. Very small pin it have given right now. All right, we cannot hold above these levels. Above these levels it's going to be long, right, guys. Okay, so long or sideways again one more time. Right, on upper side. like yesterday, right? Okay, so in fact if it happens to give a long from here, right? Okay guys, above these levels scalping can be taken, one scalping right on upper side. All right, whereby we'll be targeting 1% on upper side. Okay, so even if it is not giving that much, right guys? Okay, so we will at least try to take out the previous highs, right? Okay, so this levels going back for the sideways created a double bottom over here. All right, okay, so hopefully it clears out. Above these levels we are not going to hold it. All right, okay, so above that levels it is going to be long again one more time. So for that reason we are going to open a long positions from this levels and upper side if it in case if it happens to turn its face around, right? Okay, for now it shouldn't pass above this levels. Okay guys, gold is gonna play around in this zone a bit. All right, 3 to 4 times up and down, then only it will give you the direction towards the downside. All right, okay. Comedy, hi bro, welcome. All right, welcome brother, welcome. So above these levels we're gonna expect the market to make a sideways, guys. All right, let's hold, let's see. All right, have patience for now. If it jumps out above this level there stands along, which means market is again going back for the sideways, or market can make a small move on upper side above this levels, right? So we need to be very careful over here. So this purple line is my markation, whereby from there we don't hold for the shots. So we are taking risks in right now, all right, towards the downside. Okay, with the small advantage of market. So we have the markation over here, whereby the market can go on upper side for the long from here. So below this levels shots, right? Okay, so market is in the sideways right now. Okay, so 1 minute, 5 minutes it is in the sideways, so we are waiting right now. Okay guys, gold is gonna play around in this zone a little bit. It might like to take out my stop loss as well. All right, and finally it is going to give you the move towards the downside. All right, gold. Have patience, let's go guys. All right, okay, so whatever happens, right, we take the risks and we try to control the risks. After that, if it is not able to give you all the directions, then we change our mind, right? Okay. So wherever the opportunity is given, we'll try to take it accordingly. All right guys, okay, wherever it gives the opportunity, either it is an upper side or downside, wherever it gives the opportunity we'll try to take it. Okay guys, so far so good guys. Trying to come out. Have patience, let's go slowly, right guys? Gold is gonna play around a little bit. Might like to take me out as well, but we are going to short it from here. Again we wait for the move towards downside, same zone. If it happens to take me out, right guys, okay, slowly we go, slow, patiently. All right, okay. BTC, let's see whether it goes back to the sideways one more time or not. BTC is totally in the sideways right now. It can go up, break above these levels. Also it shouldn't close, the candle shouldn't close above these levels. If it close, that becomes long, or the sideways one more time for the BTC, right guys? Gold is gonna play around a little bit, and I think it's going to give you the directions. All right. Slowly we go, slowly guys, no pressure. Okay, Have patience. Giving a small breakouts on upper side. It's trying to give you a small breakouts. Very small rigs, okay guys, we are going to take very small rigs and we are holding it. Gold, it is gonna play around in the zone a bit, all right, okay, and up and down, then only it will try to give you the directions. BTC is still at the entry levels. Those who have missed the previous entry, right? Slowly guys, slowly we will go slowly guys, all right. Okay, so have patience. All right, nice one guys. Now book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry, and rest just let it flow. All right, okay guys, so for this scalping, all right, okay, so book some profits and move your stop loss to the entry, rest just let it flow, right, slowly, okay, so at the entry, okay, so no more. So first thing what you are going to do is in the scalping guys, all right, as soon as you get some profit, book some profit and minimize your risks as much as possible, rest just let it flow, all right, okay. So next time towards the after the New York sessions ends, we are going to apply for this one. So for now longs becomes invalid, your long zone stands over there, all right, okay, so we focus on shorts for now, all right, okay. So far so good guys, okay, so quick one, right, quick profits for you all. For the gold also, it's gonna play around in the zone a little bit, and I think it should be able to give you the directions towards the downside, all right, okay. So slowly it is gonna come, right. Have patience and just let it flow, right, okay guys, slowly, all right, slowly we go slow today guys, all right, no more talk, okay, no more big talk. Very slow and less talk guys, all right, okay, the talk is gonna be less. Book some profit and move your stop loss to the entry, okay guys, and rest just let it flow. Gold is gonna play around a little bit more. Slowly we'll try to trace it guys, all right. Gold will play one more time upper side, okay, and it is gonna come to downside and you are gonna get profit of 0.63% on the downside, Okay, we are aiming for that one. If it doesn't comes, then breach, right guys? Okay, so it is gonna play around in this zone a little bit, guys. All right. Stop loss at entry, rest, just let it flow. All right, so you have to be very good at executing the getting a setup is not only the thing, guys. All right, okay, so you should be very good at planning the things and how you are managing your setups, right? Execution part, that comes in the execution part. Dilip Mali, hi bro, welcome brother. Okay, Dilip Mali. Slowly we'll try to go. Gold is gonna play around a little bit more in these levels, and we are going to target 0.62 percentage on a downside. Okay, slowly guys. All right, slowly we'll go. All right, welcome guys, welcome those who are watching me for the first time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right? Okay, every day 11 UTC onwards, right guys? Okay, so every day you can catch me 11 UTC onwards, right? In this live streaming doing scalping on Bitcoin and gold, right? Okay, no hurry, right? We go slow. Your stop loss should be at entry. Okay, so your long zone stands above this levels, guys. All right, okay, those who wanted to plan your longs, right, in case if it happens to break out on upper side above this levels, once your stop loss at entry is heated, then you can plan it. You can target around $78,000 on upper side. All right, okay, but I think market should go down first, right? Okay, let's see whether it gives you further breakdown towards the downside or not. All right, so for now longs are invalid. Your long zone starts only above these levels. Below, don't try to long it. All right, previously we were holding for this one, now it gets shifted in the sideways. All right, okay. Above these levels only the long zones. Gold is gonna play around a little bit, all right, in this zone, then only you are going to get the target towards the downside. One more time, I think it is going to play around for the gold. Have patience, Bangladeshi. Hi, welcome. Gold, it is gonna play around a little bit. All right, okay, so if it is hitting our stop loss, let's close this one. Previous setups, let's wait for again same setups on a downside. All right, okay, so we will be holding, we will be waiting below this levels. All right, previously we had to close 1.9 oh, 0.19 percentage. All right, okay, so that is a loss, we bear it, right? Okay, we accept the loss now. So wherever it makes high, right, that will be our stop loss. All right, above that levels. Okay, and we are waiting for the market to break down below this levels, right? And we are gonna go for the short positions one more time for the gold. It is going to play around, it's going to be a little bit dirty in this levels. All right, then only you will get the move towards downside, I guess, most probably. All right, BTC no say, right, it's still going good. Okay, so nothing much to worry for the BTC, right? Gold is playing around a little bit. It is gonna play around. Though we didn't hit our stop loss, just below the stop loss it is coming below, but we keep closing, we will open one more time, right, with a 0.19 percentage of losses, right? Okay, below this levels we'll try to scalp, right, one more time. Upper side, it is become risky since so we are going to wait for this one after closing it for now, right? Okay. For the BTC longs, only wait above these levels, right? Once it breaks out above this red zone, then you can start planning your longs, not over the downside. All right, okay. Downside, you are getting out from the sideways one more time, guys. All right, so almost 1-2 TPs done, right? Okay, we'll try to hold a little bit long on the downside. All right, with patience. Okay, we need to have patience. Gold is gonna play around a little bit. All right, guys, and it is going to give you the directions towards this levels. You have 0.67 percentage. Okay, that's fine. It's gonna recover, so don't worry. All right. For the scalpings in the gold. All right. Okay, we wait below this levels. Okay, upper side, let it go wherever it wants to go. For the gold is little bit going out of our zone. Stop loss should be at entry, guys. Okay, those who are holding for the BTC. Okay, just a second. Saugat, hi bro, welcome. Right, just a second, I will be back. Right. Just a second, guys. Okay. Have patience, guys. Okay, have patience. All right. So got hi bro, welcome. All right, for the gold, we wait for the downside move, right? Okay, we wanted to go for the downside. All right, so below these levels. Okay, so your 0.6% you have, everything is going to be okay. All right. If it keeps moving on upper side, we'll ignore it. All right, for the gold, let it come down. BTC, above these levels there is a long positions, but we require some breakouts, right? Okay. Second entry maybe, guys, for the BTC, those who have missed the previous move, right? Short. Gold upper side, don't do anything. Spike, and we request a downside move. Still moving on upper side. Second entry for the BTC, right? Those who wants to go for the shots. All right, okay, but you shouldn't be holding above, so same levels you might like to have stop loss. All right. Those who have missed the previous entry, right? Okay. gold, we wait for the shots, all right, below these levels with a stop loss wherever it makes high, right? Okay, we wait for this downside move. Upper side, we are not focusing on gold. Let it go wherever it wants to. Even if it makes high spike, I will just ignore it for a while. All right, okay, for the upper side, for the gold. All right, okay. So we will be planning for the shots only for a while. Okay, small pullback, we are retesting it, right? Okay. Last spike left. मेरा मन क्यों झुक जाए ये बंधन. Spike, we are not getting spike over here. It would be nice if it would do the spike. We would have shot it. Okay, let's try to plan it, right? One spike, we are not getting it right now. With a little bit of, we are trying to, actually our short zone stands over here, right? Okay, we are going to take risks from the upper side a little bit, all right? So it might like to give a quick spike and come down as well, but we are going to hold with a small stop loss 0.2% in upper side for the gold, right? Okay, as soon as market crosses $4,587, we are going to shift our stop loss to the entry. Rest, we are just letting it flow. All right, okay. BTC second entry also going good, right? Okay, should break down. BTC, yes, come on, go move down. BTC, all right. Gold, taking a risk from the top right now. Okay, this was your entry, but we try to take a risk from a little bit upper side only. Okay, so I think it should be fine, right? If it gives the spike. We are trying to take scalping, all right, guys. Okay, the mid-term plans, I have mid-term plans, long-term plans, we have scalping plans, right? Okay, so it is different. Okay, so mid-term within a mid-term plans, I can make up so many scalpings, right? So on a long-term plans, we'll have so many mid-term plans, right? Okay, so it goes accordingly. It's because like for the mid-term and long-term plans, usually I upload my long videos on my channel, right? Okay, but for the scalpings, we do only on the live stream. All right, okay, so we have been doing in a live stream, and we do in the live stream only. All right, okay. Still the last spike, let's wait. Those who wants to go long, wait above these levels only. Okay, so those who are aggressively waiting for the longs, right? Gold, we try to take risks from the top, right? Last spike, let's see how far it goes, right? Your spike, last spike left. we go slow, right? Okay, sir, Gaurav, Bitcoin ऊपर जाएगा क्या? Sir, Samir Ansari, Bitcoin जा भी सकता है यार, बट अभी लॉट्स ऑफ पेंडिंग ऑर्डर बन चुका है नीचे, थोड़ा फुल बैक देना पड़ेगा बिटकॉइन को। ये बहुत ऊपर ऊपर लेके जा रहा है, पर थोड़ा फुल बैक अच्छा से देगा तो एक्यूमुलेशन ज़्यादा होगा, तो फेंक सकता है ऊपर, ऊपर बेच सकता है। लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए ऊपर ही देख रहा है, पर अभी थोड़ा फुल बैक मिलना भी ज़रूरी है जैसा लग रहा है मेरे को बिटकॉइन में, ठीक है। बिकॉज ऊपर ऊपर डायरेक्ट स्ट्रेट बना के किया तो एक्यूमुलेशन एक भी नहीं हुआ, तो बहुत सारा ऊपर जाना है, तो ऊपर स्पाइक नहीं बेच सकता है, वो शूट अप नहीं कर सकता है, पावर नहीं मिलता है उसको। थोड़ा एक्यूमुलेशन करते करते जाएगा तो बहुत ऊपर जा सकता है फ्यूचर में, हाँ। We extend once we happens to reach over here. If you wanted to hold, right, you book some profit and you can keep holding, pushing you towards the downside. Maybe the maximum levels we can go up to $76,304 towards the downside, right? Okay, तो ऊपर गया तो इसका ऊपर, अभी नीचे में लॉन्ग मत प्लान करना, इसका ऊपर प्लान करने से ठीक है। बिटकॉइन इसका ऊपर गया तो प्लान करने से ठीक ही है, नहीं तो नीचे में मत प्लान करना, ठीक है गाइस, ऑलराइट। Nice, TP done. If you wanted to hold now, right, so maybe $76,302. All right, okay, so book some profit, move your second entry also. Those who have planned your second entry also book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry, rest if you want to hold, right? Okay, so maybe $76,317. All right, okay, all right, nice guys, super. Gold, nice. All right, gold nicely coming back. All right, okay, so BTC also gonna super nice, right? Okay, so thank you so much, Shamir. All right, आपको welcome guys. All right, you guys are welcome. All right, gold आस्ते आस्ते से जाएगा, ठीक है guys, nothing much to worry. All right, have patience. All right, okay. BTC nice push down. लॉन्ग के इसका ऊपर ही वेट करना, इसका नीचे लॉन्ग मत प्लान करना गाइस, ऑलराइट। नाइस गाइस, ऑलराइट, ओके, सुपर। So far so good guys, all right. Now book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry, rest just let it flow, right? Okay, you're out of risks now, yeah, if you wanted to hold, right, you are totally out of risks. Mazaya, Nailamit, hi, welcome. Hope Matrix little bit recovered, happy now. Matrix, you good? Matrix Gaming, gold इसका आना चाहिए, हाँ। So once it happens to pass below, touches this point or this one, book some profit and move your stop loss to the entry, rest just let it flow, alright, okay. So we are gonna target around $4,561 for the gold as well, alright, okay. Going crazy, nice, right? Okay. Hope everyone is doing good now, right? Happy, right? Matrix, yes. Okay, all right. Dragon is helping, it's giving its best, right? Okay, rest, it's up to the god if wants to give it or not. We try to give our best analysis over here, all right? Okay, small points left, right, and downside, otherwise full TP. All right guys, that's nice. All right, Okay, book some profits. All right, don't hold for the last minute. Okay, book some profit. All right, gold, waiting for the gold. It's gonna play around a little bit, I guess, but our entry was over here. Okay, below this levels we try to take risks from the upper side. Below this levels is, I think it's going to be less noise. It is like it is gonna be less noisy, right? Okay, upper side retesting, up and down, moving, it goes all over there, right? It happens all over there. After breaking this one, it is gonna be nice, all right, for the gold. All right. Upper side it becomes a little bit noisy. All right, okay. So those who have done your second entry also from here, perfectly done, right? Okay, so first those who have done your first entries, it gave you around 1 point, how much guys, 1.75 percentage. All right, okay. Those who did your second entry, I told you all, those who don't have positions, right, you can also go for the second positions, right? From here you got a 1.61 percentage, so you should be happy within that one, I guess, right? Gold is playing around aggressively, I guess, right? Gold, the last spike, this is going to be the last spike. Come on, if it is going towards the downside, it was not giving you that spike, right? Okay, so I had a bigger stop loss, thinking that spike won't run off from my stop loss above this levels, right? Okay. Gold, it needs to give, this is the last spike after breaking it down, I guess, and I think it should go down, right? Okay, hopefully it doesn't breach my stop loss while spiking it on upper side. All right. BTC done perfectly. Gold little bit trying to, but in fact we try to plan from the risky zone only. All right, our fault, my fault. My fault. Still some left move is left, I guess, on the BTC on a downside, I guess. My fault. Come on, gold, reverse it. Gold, you turn to the spiky things, reaching at the top. Almost all TPs done, right, for the BTC. Now we wait for the longs, I guess, or most probably above this levels, right? Okay, maybe this zone. If it goes up, we can plan long later on above this levels only. Before that, it might like to play around in the zone a little bit, right? Okay, it might like to give further more down one more time, push you further more. That happens all over there. Small gap is left still for the BTC on a downside. Gold will play around and give you, but it is going to play around a lot, I guess. Above these levels we don't hold for the shots, okay? So $4,606. all right, okay, so I think this is going to be the last move that we are getting on upper side. Now I think it should be able to give you towards the downside for the gold. All right, okay. For the gold, let's wait. All right. $76,130. all right, okay, so nice actually, right? Longs only above these levels, okay, only above the rate levels. We don't plan right now. Don't try to plan long from the bottom. You will be going into risks, okay. Gold's done. Come on now. Come on now, gold. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, alright? Okay, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right? Okay, so every day I come on a live stream, right? Monday to Friday sessions, 11 UTC onwards, alright? You can catch me. Those who wanted to join my group, right? There's a free group in our Telegram, right? The link is in the description box, right? You can join over there, right? Okay. Sometimes I give you some signals over their group inside the group, right? Okay, so you are going to enjoy that one, right? Okay guys, you are going to enjoy that one. Gold now it should be able to break towards the downside, all right? Okay, so it shouldn't pass above these levels on upper side. Okay, for if it is a shots, shouldn't break above these levels now, rather it should come down and break down below. Let's go BD, break below. Yes, a short zone over here. Still we are in the risky zone. Once it passes below these levels, it becomes nice for us, right? Okay. BTC, I think one more move is left on a downside, but it is going to play around a little bit in the zone, I guess, most probably. Something like this. We are expecting something like this. All right. Okay. For the BTC. All right. Gold coming to the zone. Coming back to our zone. Let's have patience, guys. All right. Have patience and just let it flow. Rest God will do. All right. Okay. We do a little bit and rest the God is gonna do. Have patience, right? And hold now. Gold, come on. Push it low. Gold. It have not reached our entry yet for the shots. This rate level marked is my short zone. What we did, we tried to take risks. Upper side it becomes noisy only, right? We try to take risks from the upper side, a little bit upper side. All right. Sing the song for gold. Alright, what song do you request for the gold? What song do you request for the gold, guys? Spike, don't give me spike. Gold. Longs only above this levels, okay? Don't plan longs on a downside, alright, yet. Still in the entry zone. गोल्ड 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 क्या कर रहे हो गोल्ड BTC small move, I guess, left in a downside yet. It's trying to break small. Okay. That song you're using every day with a closed mouth. Which song, guys? I don't remember. All right. Just playing around a little bit. It shouldn't break below above this level. It can break, but it shouldn't close above $4,600. All right. Okay. For the gold, it can break, but it shouldn't close the candles. That is the symptoms for you to close it. $75,840. Okay. Have patience, guys. Spike don't require don't give a spike to us. Gold is playing around a lot. BTC is going crazy, guys. No words for BTC. Still going good. Gold is playing around a little bit. Can be entry for those who have missed the previous gold, right? Entry. Those who have missed, right? Bro, please gold. I'm scared. Mohat. We are planning on shots, right? Okay, for now. Our better entry zone is this levels below the red zone, but we are planning a little bit upper side with a small risk. All right. Risk of 0.2 percentage. Okay, the profit 0.7 percentage, so 1:3. Okay, so 1:3, I guess, right? BTC is still going down. Gold planning on a downside. Target $4,561, but it shouldn't break above and close up. Candle shouldn't close above this levels, 4,600. It can break, but it shouldn't close on upper side. It can give a spike and should come down. Otherwise, gold is never gonna come down. All right. We are expecting small pullback, all right, for the gold as well. Small pullback we have been expecting on the gold as well. spike. Gold, don't give a spike. It can give spike but shouldn't close, candle shouldn't close above my rate zone, my rate levels over here, this one. If it close up, then gold positions becomes invalid. All right, okay. Excuse me. Wait. Gold having a hard time. Come on, gold, push it down. Gold, push it down. That's no, 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 no. Gold is taking lots of time. Hope you are okay. Petter, hi bro. Everything is fine. Petter, all going good. All right. Okay. Everything is fine. So far so good. Petter. How are you, Petter? Hope you are doing good too. Right. If it comes down, we can take one shot one more time for the BTC. Liquidations. Further liquidations. Further. Have patience, let's see. All right, have patience and let's see. Bitcoin, if it comes down, we can take one shots one more time. It is closed down and it is not able to push you down from here. Gold making a sideways, small sideways in this zone. Now 1 minute time frame. spike and down, quick spike and down. Gold stuck over there, guys. Staying home sick, so have an option to watch you, so all good. Thanks for podcasting. We questions based on what you put your lines. We question, all right. Okay, take care, better. Okay, homesick, all right. Take care, brother. Take care of your health, brothers. All right. Gold is the one which is making a small dirty levels in the zone. Nobody wants to take me down. Gold is going to 4,620 in my view. Maybe can spike. Let's see. I'm expecting one spike and running off, us giving you all the small pullback first. Then because like gold needs to go all the way in upper side, right? If it happens to directly give, gold would finish its uptrend. All right, it should come down so that it can have a higher next time when it moves very high levels again. It can trace it on upper side. Okay, it's not coming to our zone. This is our short zone actually, what we are waiting for. It's not giving entry to our zone yet. Oh, have patience, let's wait what the gold will do. BTC lovers, I think you got enough profits today. One single setup, you did like a day trader, almost 1.1 point how much, guys? You got a huge profit, I guess, already. 1.73%, not bad, right? Especially for the gold traders, a little bit stuck, guys. We are stuck a little bit. Let's wait and have patience. Shouldn't give you the liquidations. Poop, 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 poop. Those who have been watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, right, guys? Okay, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right? Okay, every day 11 UTC, guys. All right, I come on live every day on 11 UTC. All right, okay, you can catch me always from the 11 UTC onwards, right? This zone is very strong. It should run the breakouts. It can give, but should swap the candles and give you down if it is a real downside move. Gold, come on, come on, gold. You cannot be like BT today. Gold is going like a everyday BT. Let's wait. Spiky move expected. Quick breakouts and swap I'm expecting. It is becoming risky now for the shorter ones, guys. Gold, quick move and swap up, spike and swap up. If you want to close, keep closing, you can keep closing, guys. All right, for the gold. Okay, I think if it is a real move on the downside, it's going to spike and come down. If you want to hold, you can hold with a stop loss. It's up to you all now. All right, because this levels is very important. If it breaks out above this levels, it becomes a long positions again one more time. But that longs has high possibilities of faking out the longs. All right, it will give you the longs and swap everyone towards the downside. Okay, if you want to hold, you can hold it. Right, you observe whether it breaks out on upper side or not, especially for the gold, guys. It's still good, right? If it breaks out directly toward down, that's going to be super crazy. All right, okay. BTC keeps or expecting it. Gold is not giving you the moves right now. Okay, that's nice. Given a breakout one more time. Okay, lovely gold, lovely. Come up, come down, come down, come down. What is the red top line for you on a gold then? This one. This is a long zone, but it has a chances of and swapping you down, but right now it didn't do. Right, I was just having a fear of that one. All right, okay, so it have to take in consideration of this one. All right, gold, it had stayed a little bit of sideways, but I think it should be able to give you all. For the gold traders, we couldn't give good profits. For the BT traders, you got a good profits, right? Okay, still small move downside also. The leftover move 0.35% given already. Now it's time gold, let's go. No more sideways, no more fake outs, nothing else. Come on, let's bang it, guys. Gold, let's bang it. Come on, come on. Let it break down from this trade zone. Swap. BT at the bottom. Come on, gold. Push it down, push it down. You can do it. Gold. Do we enter now for Mohammed for the gold? We have entered already. We have entry over here. All right, if you want to really wait for the confirmations, right, breaking down below this levels, my rate levels can be a good zone. Above this levels, it jumps out for the liquidations or taking out the shots quick and going down, or it can be further up on the upper side as well. All right, above this rate zone. Okay, so we are in the middle right now, whereby we have taken the risks. All right, Gold, come on, come on. No spiky moves, no spiky moves, no spiky moves. Keep closing, right? Okay, guys. We'll open shots once it happens to come to the zone. All right. Okay. This is our zone, $4,592. But still playing around, right? Still good. Those are holding, still good. We want to break out from these levels. This is our original positions. So usually it becomes so noisy in upper side. All right, and the risky as well above these levels, right? This I call it noisy area. Spike, retest, fake outs, everything happens over here, right? Once it clears out, which means that what we are waiting at this level for the gold is market not able to push you on upper side, comes down and break down below the support. So we are waiting for that one. Market have taken out the liquidations. Now we are expecting the market to move down, right? So this is what we are waiting for in these levels right now. Okay. If you cannot take risks, you can keep closing as well, no problem. All right. Okay. If you cannot hold, waiting. Hi Sunil Patel, hi bro, for the gold. Yeah, if you want to take risks, still in the risky area, you are in the risky area. If you want to take risks, you can take it, right? Otherwise you can hold for this one, right? Once it happens to clear out towards the downside. All right. Okay, so I think it should be able to give you towards the downside, I feel, right? Okay, but if the market happens to change its phase, right, we have to accordingly plan it. BTC last move gave a small move on a downside. All right, again playing around, so making a small range of sideways BTC in this levels now. Double bottom, it have been making you all, gave you a very small move, 0.36% only, guys. Gold, come on. Gold should be coming down. Why it is not coming down, guys? Playing around a lot. For BT lover, you got enough profits, alright. Gold lovers, I need to focus a little bit more. Gold, come. Spike, boom, breakdown. Guys, cheer up for the gold, please. Cheer up for the gold. Longs plan only above these levels. Okay, downside, don't try to focus on the longs, right? Okay, you are still going down on a, it will play around slowly. It might like to drag you towards the downside. All right. Okay, finally coming to my zone. All right, gold, you'll be a sweetie gold. All right, sweetie gold, come on, break out from my red levels, right? Come on, sweetie gold, you can do it. Nice. Okay, gold lovers. Okay, push it. Cheer up for the gold waterfall. All right, better. Okay, Okay, check out for the gold, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Push it. Gold, push it. BT making small noisy zones in this levels now. Push it, gold, push it. Broke down, nice. That's nice. Gold, gold, gold. Come on, gold, 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 gold. Push it, push it, push it. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Broke down from our zone. That's well and good, right, guys? Okay. Slowly, slowly, slowly now. Should be very quick from here. So 165%. Guys, 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 gold. Come on, come on, come on. Gold becoming shy. BTC making a small noisy zones in this levels, right, guys? Okay, getting pressure up now. BTC is getting pressure up. Should be something like this. Okay, planning up firstly. Gold. Let it play around a bit. Morning, morning, boss. All right. Hannibal Benjamin. All right. Welcome. Once we break bottom rate line, what does it mean for you? Short only or downside? For the gold? For the gold? So we just requires one retest to get past. It broke out, which means that I'm expecting market to go down a little bit towards the downside if it passed the retest. All right, pullback, not a waterfall. All right, okay, only the small pullback. All right, okay, I'm expecting that one. 0.915%. Giving you directly, not possible. Directly coming down means it will get stuck over here. 0.45%. Gold, come on. Gold, if it breaks below, we can expect firstly this levels. All right, if it breaks below, we will expect a little bit towards the pullback towards downside, this one. Okay, all right, and finally $4,560. all right, okay, so at least 4,569 we want to 4,569 we want to trace it. All right, after that, if it breaks, right, we will trace $4,560. all right, okay, for the gold. BTC planning a little bit fishy. All right, 0.915%. Okay, good. All right, happy now, gold holders. Okay, now when the TP1 hits, book some profit, those who have held it from the top, right? Okay, 0.24%, right, and move your stop loss to the, always guys, always first thing, book some profit and minimize your risks. The risk should be lesser than whatever you have, the profit you have booked, right? Or minimize your risks, make it zero. All right, okay, for the gold, right? And rest, just let it flow, right guys? Okay, rest, just let it flow, right? This broke out, this levels, this broke out, this levels. Let's try to take one risk. All right guys, below this levels for BTC. Let it come down 0.7%. all right guys. first TP and second TP, right? Gold, book some profit and minimize the risks, right? Very good. It will go good, guys, don't worry. All right. So I told you, right, we are expecting, but this area really becomes really dirty, guys. All right, sometimes I don't want to get early in this levels, right? Okay, but risks always comes with reward. You should know that one, guys. All right, so you see this is going to be really dirty area, right, guys? Okay, so those who have done from my level, right, this my short level broke out and confirmed, right? Book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry, this levels as well, the upper level as well, right? So rest, just let it flow wherever it wants to go. All right, okay. Expecting at least $4,569, even if it doesn't gives $561, right? Okay, so BTC also we can take a small scalp on a downside. First TP should be this one, right? Okay, very small level, guys, for now. 0.23 0.3 percentage, and below that one, if it gives, you can hold up to $76,271 if it gets returned from here, right? So we will try to have minimize our risks and get out from there. All right, okay. All right, guys, okay, so make sure you book some profits for the gold, right, and move your stop loss to the entry. The first thing whatever you are going to do is on a Bitcoin or the gold, right, once you happens to open your scalping sessions, right, okay, as soon as you get some profit, minimize your risks, zero, guys. All right, zero. If it gives, if it doesn't gives, just get lost, right? Okay, so that's how you do it, guys. All right, okay. BTC, we are last going for one scalp again, one more time for the downside move. Gold, perfectly done, guys. All right, okay, so first we try to open from this levels, guys, over here, right, guys? Okay, there or there, right? Okay, so I told you if you wanted to hold, but it didn't do your stop loss, but those who hold it, you got it. Those who don't want to hold, you would have close to 0.19 percentage. Now you got enough, right? Okay, so everything is recovered, 0.3 percentage. That's fine. All right, okay. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, right? Okay, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. Every day I come on a live stream, right, guys? Okay, 11 UTC onwards, you can always catch me, right? Okay, so I'll be on live only doing some scalpings on Bitcoin and gold, right, with you all. Okay, so you can always catch me, guys. All right, okay. BTC, right? Okay, the scalping that we did it, right? So this area, this zone can be good zone to book some profit, right? Okay, and rest, move your stop loss to the entry, right, and rest, just let it flow, right? Okay, so okay, small pullback, that's fine. That's fine. Gold also small pullback, stop loss at entry, yeah. Book some profit and stop loss should be at entry. Okay, rest, just let it flow, no problem. All right, just a second. All right, guys. My galaxy is moving. Becoming a little bit dirty. All right. Fine, that's fine. Okay, so we take the reference of this line. All right, for the scalpers. Okay. BTC is still stuck there. All right, so when it comes to downside, we book some profits, maybe around this zone 76,532. Okay, for the scalpers, this zone should be a good one to book some profit. All right, after that we'll see if we can plan any long positions, right? Okay. It will play around a bit. Better. Welcome guys, welcome. Have patience, book some profit, minimize the risks, zero, just let it flow. Right, so this is what how you trade it, guys. There will be shots waiting below this levels, guys. Boom. Okay, so if it wants to do anything, if it wants to remove or whatever it is does, right? So maximum levels it can go up to is $4,594. We shouldn't be passing about that level. This level is alright. $4,592. Alright. That should be the maximum level. Have patience, let it go, right? BTC lover, you got enough profit in a one single go, guys. So I'm just focusing on gold for now a while. Single go, you got 1.6 or 7 percentage. For gold, we could do only 0.36 for now. Book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry if you're holding towards downside. Okay. Have patience, right? Let it flow easy. Okay, gold champion, gold champion. Okay, gold lovers, congratulations, right? Okay, that's nice. Nice move. All right. Now happy, guys. Hope that was helpful for you all, right? Okay. Dia. दिया दिया अच्छा दिया. Great. All right, super. Okay, have fun guys, have fun. Make sure you minimize your risks, and your not minimize your risks should be zero by now. All right, okay, your risks for the goal should be zero. All right, you should have booked some profit. The rest, just let it flow. All right, this is what you can do it. Okay, make it zero, guys. Your profit, your risks, make it zero. All right. Slowly, 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 it gave you, right? 0.39%. Oh, what happened to the BTC? Oh, BTC still got stuck over there, right? Slow and slow, it moves, right? Okay, hopefully it should be able to give you some move over here. So book one profits over here. If it gives below this one, right, you can keep booking, keep pushing it down with the stop loss at entry once it happens to clear 76,000, right? This range, right, around $76,528. All right, okay guys. Yeah, $76,534 should be TP1, right, for the BTC. Okay, 0.36 percentage. After that, you need to book one profit and stop loss to the entry. How much it gives, trace it. Okay, so this is what you are going to do it. All right. Gold, lovely. All right, gold is still going good. Happy now guys, hope now gold lovers are also happy, right? Sir, how long max you wait for the target? Waiting the target, if you are a quick panic sellers, right, you might like to take reference of this line. Okay, so this is how I am going to how I use my scalping sessions to have patience. All right, okay, so in case if it was like I draw one trend, right? Okay, so as long as the market is not coming out from this trend line, I keep holding it. For the scalping should be quick, right? Okay, so you cannot wait for the market to go jump out again, get into your entry again, come down. So for long holding, it happens, right? Okay, for the scalping, you cannot hold for that one. One go, how much you get it, you have to take it and just run away from the market, right? Okay, for that reason, right? Okay, once I get my entry and hold, right, I take reference of this line, right? As long as it's not coming out from this levels, I keep holding it. Coming out is not a problem, but once it happens to come out, right? Okay, so it doesn't mean that the market is not moving in a downside, but it will have one retest phase, right? So you need to wait for this retest phase, right? Okay, sometimes your retest phase becomes a little bit confusing as well, but you should be extra smart over there, right? Okay, so you should be extra smart, whereby playing inside this retest phase is no problem. All right, but once it happens to get out from retest phase, which means this is a long side, right, for the scalping, right? Okay, for the scalping means in a 1 minute time frame, it can give a small pullback, sometimes a very small pullback, or it can again like it can give you the big pullback as well, right? Okay, so you can take a reference of this line, trend line, right? Okay, as long as you are not breaking out, you keep holding, right? Once you get breakout, right, you wait for it. Then you need to be extra alert, right? Then you need to focus it whether it gives you the retest pass or not. Then you have to focus over there in the market, right? Okay guys, otherwise if you are long holders, you might like to take a reference of this line, the previous one. But for the long holders, always at the same time, guys, all right, when the market moves down, you need to keep booking some profit. Your stop loss is where, guys? Your stop loss is at entry. You're right, but if you wait for your entry, you're gonna miss this much move, right? 0.46, huge move, right? So you are going to get pinched over there, right? So because of that one, what you're gonna do is you keep booking some profit and take the help of the reference line, the retest phase you are going to get from this levels, right? Okay, once it happens to get out, then you need to give extra careful, right? Okay, so extra careful, whereby if it is not getting out, no problem, right? Once it gets out, which means the market might like to take some time, right? It doesn't mean that market is not moving in your directions. It might like to take some times. This is what it means, right? Okay, so nice guys. All right, gold lovers, congratulations, right, for the BT coming back to this your zone one more time, right, which is very bad, right? Okay, I think BT is gonna try an upper side, so keep closing it, right guys? Okay, very small moves you got it for the BT. All right, okay, so which means that market is now targeting around $77,000 maybe, or $77,187, right? Small move on upper side above this levels if it breaks it out, right? Or wait for this market to give you an upper side, right? Okay, small move on upper side. All right, so that can be for the BT, that can be small move 0.5 percentage on upper side, right? Okay, and 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 guys, all right, so New York session is about to start, right? Maybe around 1 hour we have it, right, or 50 minutes, right guys? Okay, so so previous line only, it couldn't give you the profits, guys. All right, okay, so it couldn't give you the profits, right guys? So last move will be this one, the gold, right guys? Okay, book profits, right? If you want to hold, it's up to you all, right? Gold is going good, right? It gave you the good profits, right? Boom. Bro, my exchange take from me 0.01 for the opening and selling both of them. Every time my 20% of profit goes to exchange, it's too much for not. 22%. 22% is very huge. What's leverage you are taking? You can have there is a link in my bio, you can check it out, right? Okay, there is a I'm not saying that you have to use that one, just check it out if it is good for you. All right, there is a partial booking facilities as well in your exchange, right? There is a Bybit, Binance, especially Binance I use for the scalping, right? Okay, so you can check it out, right? Okay, and Bybit also nice, right? There's a link in my description box, you can check it out, right? If you like, you can take it. If you don't like, you just leave it, guys. All right, it's up to you all. All right, no force, okay, so no force over there. BD need to go up a little bit now. All right, so it's trying to target a little bit on upper side. Well, going on upper side, you are going to do nothing, right? While coming down, you are going to wait for these levels to come in, and you're going to target $76,140 on the downside. All right, okay. Small move on the downside, and after finishing this one only, then might like to go for the big longs on upper side. If it keeps moving in upper side, breaks out and keeps moving in upper side, that's good, right? But most probably, I think it needs to get reversed from this levels, right? Okay, I think, right? I think BD needs to. Then you have a target of almost 1% again, right guys? Okay, for the BT, you guys got a good profit, so I have focused on the gold, right? Okay, so nothing much to worry though. Every day you can catch me, guys. Wonderful from gold. Wow, I'm from Iran. All exchange banning us, right? Yeah, maybe, yeah, right. But Bybit, I think it should work. Bybit, I guess. Iran. Oh, okay, bro. All right. Okay. All right. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. Maybe you can try it, right? Bybit, Bitgate. I think it should be working, right? Bitgate or Bybit, I guess. But Binance, I'm not sure. All right. Okay. Lovely, guys. Lovely. Superb. Right. Superb, guys. Superb. Everything is superb. All right. Crazy. Nice. Gold, we take single trade. That's nice. I think that was enough for you all. Thank you so much, bro. You are amazing. All right, thank you so much for your comments. Right, it gives me extra power to work with you all, right? Okay, so main motive of group is to have fun, learn, at the same time earn, right guys? Okay, so you should know that one, right? Okay, so this is on live, right? And yeah, that's wonderful, right guys? Okay, That's nice, guys. All right, BTC also give you a huge move on every side again, 1.6 percentage again. BTC lovers, you keep grinding it, guys. All right. BTC lovers, you keep grinding it. All right. BTC lovers, you keep grinding it. All right. Mm, can I can expect market to reverse from this levels, right? A little bit, maybe. Let's see, right? If it reverse, let's try to take one more, right? And we'll end up with the today's sessions, right? Okay, gold, I think you are done, right, guys? Okay, hopefully that was a perfect move for you all, right? Okay. Hope you should be, I think you should be happy, right, guys? All right. Okay, so all right. Okay. Crazy, boom, crazy, boom, crazy, boom, crazy, boom, crazy. Upper side from here again, BTC got a huge move on upper side, guys. All right, if it doesn't return from this levels, right? Okay, okay, that's nice. Okay, let's wait. All right, okay, let's wait. All right, let it break down my trend. Nice, guys, nice, superb. Now gold, if you want to hold, you can hold. If you don't want, if you want to close, you can close. If you're holding, you check this levels, right? And you manage your own risks, guys. All right. Okay, so superb, guys, crazy. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right, guys? Okay, so overall BTC, we have taken one setups, 2 3 is small, given very small, right? 4, right? Okay, so let's take one more for the BTC, right? Okay, you guys want it or not, guys? You guys want it for the BTC or not, guys? BTC you requires or not, guys? What you say? What you say, guys? Wait, okay. If it comes back, we can take it one. Go ahead, get a rejection. Come on, BT. Upper side, there stands up good longs on upper side, right? Okay, there stands a good longs. But all right, okay, so your psychology should be something like this now, right? Okay, so whatever you made a profits out of this one Bitcoin, those who are waiting for the Bitcoins, right? If you have taken the Bitcoin moves or whatever it is, right? Okay, so whatever you have made the profits over here, you try to divide into 4 parts. You use only the last, for the last one use only the one part. All right, okay, so even if it gets lost, right, you won't have pinch, right? Otherwise you are going to get in motion again, you are going to trade again and again and again, which is not good, right? Okay, so have manage your risks, right? So even the 1 out of 4 portions, if you make around $500, use only around maybe $125 in the last setups, right? Okay, so even if it doesn't gives you, right, you won't have any pinch, right? Okay, otherwise you'll die out of pinch, right? You'll have lots of emotions, right? Okay. All right, so that's nice, perfect. Okay, so firstly let me delete this one, all these things, right? Okay, so I keep deleting it. All right, now it is of no use, right, guys? Okay, it is of no use. Okay. Previously it was a good use, now no use, right? Okay. Last setups we are going to take it, right? We wait it a little bit. We wait a little bit. All right, come down. New York session is around how much? 12:45. 1 hour we have it, right? Almost 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. Let's try to take one risk, right? Okay. Okay, so this is going to be the final one. If it breach you, sleep. Okay, 0.2 percentage. We'll try to take risks. All right, 0.26 percentage. All right, okay. It's making higher highs, but we're gonna, right now it is actually, we wanted to wait below this levels, right? Okay, but we are going to take a little bit more risks right now. All right, okay. From the top only. Risks always comes with the rewards. All right, okay. So risky trade, but you do whatever I said, right? Okay, not more than your 4 out of 4 portions. You are going to use 1 portion only. Even if it is $100, make it $25 only, right? Okay, because like it is going to be a little bit risky since market is giving you breakouts and a preside, so it is a little bit risky. All right, okay. So if it gives, you are going to get a boom profits, nice profit. All right, okay. So maybe we'll try to target firstly around 1.3 percentage on a downside. All right, okay. 1.3 percentage on a downside. So this is going to be a TP1, all right, TP2, TP3, and TP4. All right, okay. So let's go, guys. All right. Above these levels, that becomes very good longs. All right, okay. So this is those who wants to go for the longs, right? For those who wants to go for the longs, we are taking risks over here. All right. With a very small stop loss, right? Okay, manage your own risks. Nothing much financial advice, guys. Okay, make your own research before you move in, right? Dragon is not a certified financial advisor, right? Okay, so you should know that one. Okay, if it gives, if it doesn't gives, we sleep. All right, okay. So that's going to be the plan. In fact, right, okay, later on, if the market happens to go above these levels, there stands one long positions, right, whereby you will be getting around 1.2 percentage again on the upper side. Hopefully it doesn't breach me, right? Come on, BD, you cannot breach me. Not able to come to my zone yet. Should break out below these levels for me. I want the market to break out below these levels. Then firstly we get this trend, and second our TP1 is standing over there, and second we get it towards downside. All right, let's go. How can I enter the premium? Do I have to pay? Yeah, for the signals, that's $20, guys, per month, right? Very cheap. One trading fees, one trading fees only. So New York sessions, we don't want to trade in the New York sessions. New York sessions is going to be bad. If New York sessions give you, right, maybe this breakout has a good chances. Maybe from the down, right? You can message me or telegram me if you want, if you're interested, right? All right, so do you have new opportunities? Gold is breaking out, right, on the upper side. There stands one pending orders in this levels for now. Gold got a pending orders over there. Gold. lovers, it's not very clear. All right. The candles are not very clear. Gold lovers. BTC is still playing around, not able to break down from my zone. All right. Opportunities are lots, guys. All right. It's just I need a lot of energy to focus on the market, guys. All right. There is one pending order center preside. Maximum levels $4,594. And this can be one opportunities, guys, right? 0.36%, that's standing over there. And rest below this levels, right? Okay, if it gets below, then 0.79%, $4,532. So whatever it is, we need to have sideways, all right, whereby the market needs to play inside the higher highs and for tomorrow, right? So tomorrow the gold market is closed, right? Oh my god, tomorrow gold market is closed. If the market close, it will be in the higher zone only, I guess. Option, I'm not saying the market should move down. If it moves down and if it goes up, we can trace one move from here, right? So maybe market is going to close tonight in the zone reaching towards the upper side. Should give you this bump. Liquidation is taken out. Market might like to close tonight. I don't know, guys, just need to wait. BTC, right, still not very giving you the sweet moves, right, guys? BTC lovers. Small move given, right? Gold, we got a lots of pending orders on the downside over here. Market has good chances of closing in this zone tonight, $4,532, but the market is making higher highs at the same time. You should know that one, right? Okay. Maybe this can be one positions, right? Okay, and later on if it happens to return it back, we can take it towards the downside to fill up the pending orders. So while going on upper side, if it happens to break out on upper side, that's going to be a crazy long on upper side, whereby the closing can be seen in the new highs, right, for the gold, right? Okay. So you observe it, guys. All right, anyways, shouldn't above these levels there stands a very good long zones on upper side if it breaks out, right, guys? Okay. BTC lovers, congratulations, TP1 heated. Right now book some profits and move your stop loss to the entry, and rest just let it flow, right? Okay guys, so simple. Okay. BT lovers, BTC moved down. All right, what peer is Marcimong? Hi bro, how much do I pay to enter the premium? All right, okay, so $20. How can I premium do I pay? All right, $20, message me. All right, love world, please, we want it. All right, okay. Okay, book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry, less, right? Okay, New York session is about to start. We don't want to take risks in this levels, especially in the New York sessions. All right, okay. If it gives your favorism, well and good. If it doesn't gives, for 10 to 15 minutes don't do anything in the New York sessions, right, when it starts, right? Okay, so because it's going to be a little bit boring, right? Okay. It's going to be a little bit boring. All right. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button. All right, okay, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming daily, right? Okay, so you can catch me daily, right, from the Monday to Friday sessions, right, 11 UTC onwards. You can always catch me 11 UTC onwards, right? Okay. This positions can be taken, this one, right? This is on the retest phase right now, gold. All right, it's trying to make small higher highs. Okay, this is going to be the last setup for today, guys. All right, I'm tired now. Dragon is tired, guys. All right, book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry, rest just let it flow, right? Okay. So if you are a beginner, right, okay, just try to focus only on one asset, one pair, right, one strategy, and one set of capital, right? Okay, don't try to be aggressively planning on it, trying to find opportunities everywhere. So if you know how to trade, right, one coin is going to give you the $1 million, guys. All right, okay, it's you are able to find the opportunities or not. Every moves you will see the opportunities, right? So there are lots of opportunities in the market. Don't try to get FOMO, right? All those things, right? If it breach, if it gets you, take it, right? Okay, so if you try to understand, right, okay, everywhere there is an opportunity, right, guys? Okay, everywhere you will try to find opportunities, right? No proper retest, it's a gap. All right, guys, going back. Shouldn't be. New York sessions favors downside. Come on, long zone, those who wanted to open long only above this levels. Okay, and in fact maybe later on you can see if it is giving you any long zones, right? Mohammed, all right, big fan club. All right, there are Mohammed for you. This is especially for you. All right, there are 8 ways of finding opportunities in the market. I have uploaded the video for the members, right, premium members. Okay, so you can check it out over there, right? Okay, so different, I have a different 8 ways of finding opportunities in market, right? And with the different situations you can use the different strategies, right? Okay, my strategy is all over there, Mohammed. Congratulations, welcome. All right, okay, so YouTube big fan members, right? Okay, there I have already uploaded 8 ways, right? Sometimes I use that one and right find the opportunity. Sometimes I upload in that channel as well, right? Okay, so only the members can watch that videos, right? Okay, so they are my different 8 ways of finding opportunities. This doesn't mean that, right, it is a different strategy, but market will have one situations, right? In this situations what strategy you are going to use it, in that situations what your strategies you are going to use it. So you have different strategies. All right, every move's got a different strategies to use it, right? So you just have to match that strategy in that move, right? Okay, stick. So everywhere you will find the opportunities, guys. Congratulations, Mohammed, welcome to the team, right? Why not me? You can join it, right? There is a member group, you can just join it over there. Okay, there are different ways. I have uploaded it, I'm using same, and it is making me dollars, guys. All right, I try to explain, try to break down in very simple ways, right? How to trade in the sideways, how to trade in that kind of situation. So I told you guys, all right. So the best thing that you need to know in the market is try to identify the situations, what situations the market is going through. If you know the situations, you'll know which strategy will work, right? So one strategy is not going to work, especially if you're beginners. You try to focus only in the one strategy, but right, if you don't get the strategy, the the setups, don't trade it, right? Just let it flow, right? Okay, but right, different strategies, right? So if you want to continuously scalp, right, you have to use it continuously, right? Okay, so you need to that power, right? Okay, for the scalpers especially. Okay, so I have a different 8 ways of finding opportunities, different ways of finding opportunities from 1 to 8. You just try to check it out, right? You will have a lots of knowledge. I have tried to make this content with whatever my 6 to 7 years of journey, right? I have tried to make it together and try to make a small package of content, right? Okay, 3 minutes, 4 minutes videos, right? Okay, try to explain you all in very simple language. All right, so it's going to be very beneficial for you all. All right, guys. Okay. Max leverage short sales gold TP for 4,180. I don't know about that one. Gold needs to give you, still the gold pumps are not yet over. You should know that one. So live stream only the scalpings, right? Okay, rest long-term videos I keep uploading, you guys never check it out, right? But last time, I almost 3 weeks ago, I uploaded you all the good videos on the Bitcoin, right? Okay, that was very content, but I cannot give you the 100% sure things right over there, right? Okay, so over there I have given you my strategy, whereby I have used my strategy and try to analyze and try to find out the levels where I can go for the long-term trade. That gave me almost 13 to 14% within 2 to 3 days, guys. That's superb, guys. All right, but you guys never check it out. But my qualities are less, right? I just make a normal videos. I capture it raw, right? No edictions over there, raw, to record it and put it over there, right? I'm very bad at recording, like editing videos and all those things, guys. All right, I speak it raw over there, and I upload over there, right? Okay, so you might be getting bored as well, right? But focus on the content, guys. All right, focus on the content and the educations that you're getting over there, right? Okay, so BTC small pullback. If it gets to the entry, if we close and sleep, okay. Later on in the New York session is about to start, guys. All right, it's going to be a little bit 10 to 15 minutes, don't try to trade in New York sessions, right? Avoid it. Okay, if it favors in your directions, that's fine, right? But if it is not in your directions, right, try to ignore. All right, okay. New York sessions, right? Okay, guys, so let's try to see these levels with the different views, right, from the breakout strategies, right, guys? Oh my god, getting shut down. Going back to your entry. Okay, let's get out from here and sleep. All right, okay, so New York session is about to start, and we don't want to. How do I join membership? Membership for the Telegram or the Signal, or the membership for the YouTube. You can directly join it. You go back to my channel, and all right, the YouTube channel, and you can get it over there, right? Okay. Going back to our entry zone, that is a retest, but it can be a breakouts and upper side as well, so we don't take risks, we get out from here, right? Okay, if you are holding, it's up to you all, guys. All right, if you are aggressively holding, right, I am so a very small move, right, it could give 0.36% only, get back to your SL at entry. So this is the advantage, right, guys? So I told you all, for the scalpings, always have a courtesy to book some profit and move your stop loss to the entry, so you lose nothing, right? At least you gain something else, right? The profit shouldn't be a very big one, right? But whenever you are trading, you should have some profits, right? Okay, so that is the difference. Profit cannot like, it shouldn't be a very you shouldn't expect very big moves, right? Okay, but profit can be small as well, big as well, right? Okay, so the gap that you're getting over there. All right, anyways, New York session is about to start, just try to be careful. All right, so that's all for today, guys. All right, so we'll try to end up over here, and I need to work out for some my VIP peoples as well, try to identify these opportunities and trade for them, right? Okay, so I'll try to end up over here for tonight, right? Okay, gold, if it happens to come up later on or come down later on, you might like to take small move. If it happens to directly finish this one on upper side, the pending orders that you have later on, you may not be able to, you don't go for the longs, right? Okay, rather you can plan directly shots towards the downside, I guess, right? Okay, so which can be below this levels, right? Shots and boom towards the downside, right? Okay, so that's all for today, guys, right? Hope you guys have enjoyed it a lot, right? I expect you guys have learned a lot, right? Membership Telegram group, you can WhatsApp me or Telegram me, inbox me, right? For the YouTube membership, right? You can directly join from my bio, right? Go over there, membership, click it and join it. All right, you will have a lot of opportunity over there. Okay, almost equivalent to that. I have tried to pour a lots of things over there, right? Okay, so that's all, guys. Have a good time, take care. I'll see you all tomorrow. I will be a little bit late, may not be on 11 UTC. All right, okay, a little bit late because tomorrow is Saturday and I might like to take some rest, and the moves that you're getting on the Saturday is going to be a little bit boring. All right, maybe after New York sessions, right, I try to come on a live stream and we'll try to discuss few things, right? And Sunday, especially Sunday, don't try to miss the Sunday session, because next week, for the next week, we try to keep planning on Sundays, right? Late Sundays, right? When the market when I like close my live stream, I usually try to give few informations over there, but whatever I give is nothing much financial advice, right? Dragon is not a financial advisor, right? Okay, so certified financial advisor, right? Okay, so you should know that one. Whatever I'm saying is right, whatever I know and whatever I understand, right? You should know that one. All right, don't take it as a financial advice, right? Okay, those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right? And yeah, that's all. Okay, so before I leave, if you wanted to ask anything, right, I might like to give you around 1 minute, right, to ask questions if you have any doubts, right, or if you want to clarify anything, right, and I'll end up with that today's sessions, right, guys. All right, beautifully. Okay. So usually I don't like to trade in the New York sessions. New York sessions, first starting 10 to 15 minutes, it becomes so noisy, and you tend to catch every moves, right, whereby for the scalpers, right, if you're waiting for one move for the breakouts, right, okay, it works very nice for the New York sessions opening, right. It gives you big breakouts and it continues on upper side. You get a quick moves, but sometimes it becomes like gambling in the New York session. So usually I try to avoid a gambling phase, right, whereby I should be a totally a technical technical, right, dragons. All right. Okay, so have a good time, guys. Nothing to ask, right? Okay, so how much is the membership for the Telegram? It is $20 only, guys. All right, it's not just $20, right? Okay, it's one trading fee. Okay, so Monday to Friday sessions, you'll get it signals over the air, maybe 2 3, right? Okay, so you can get it from the live stream as well, and the VIP session as well, right? Lots of trades for y'all, right? So 3 or 4 5 should be enough in a day, I guess, right? Okay, so that's all. Have a good time, take care, and love you all. Signing off, Dragon, all the way from Bhutan. See you all tomorrow after New York sessions.